Okay, so for complex numbers, a lot of times they'll use the letter Z to represent a complex number. So a lot of times they're going to say Z is equal to X plus YI, where X and Y, formally we talked about it being an A plus BI form. But they're going to do it this way because they're going to be graphing these, and they're going to have the real, like the X, and the Y, the imaginary axis. And that just makes it a little bit easier to remember which one's which. Okay, so say you have some complex number. Okay, so that complex number looks like it's what? 3 plus 3i, right? There is a distance from the origin to that complex number in the complex plane, okay? That distance is referred to as the magnitude, or they also call it the absolute value. And they symbolize it with the absolute value of Z. So you get those absolute value lines like we used to. And that means find the distance, or the magnitude, from the origin out to where that point is graphing. Okay, so that distance would be absolute value of Z. Now, if you think about that, there's a little triangle here involved where this is the X distance and this is the Y distance according to our form here. And that makes a right triangle, and that's the Pythagorean theorem. So we can say the absolute value of Z is equal to the square root of X squared plus Y squared. So we've seen that type of thing before with our right triangles and using the Pythagorean theorem. So that's the definition of how to find the absolute value of a complex number or the magnitude of a complex number. Let's see, I think that's all for this video.